Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck, and today we're going to create an alluring nest design using a nest armature in the middle of our fabulous blooms. To start off with this design, we're starting with a nest, and you can see it's kind of on the small side, so I'm just going to take it and loosen it up a little bit to add a little bit more value on it, and then also take some of the bulk angel vine, and I'm just coming around there and adding a little bit more to that. And lastly, a little bit of moss so that it looks like the mama bird gathered some little bits and pieces around and created this wonderful nest. So next we're going to take 3 of the regular 18 gauge wires, and I've created kind of a hook on the end of it, and I'm just going to come in and bring that down and catch a little bit of that vine so it becomes our handle and also a mechanic to kind of pull that nest together. So here's our armature, and then we can glue in a couple of the little bluebird eggs, and using our hot glue gun, you can add the glue on here and just glue those in, a couple of them, so it gives that realistic look of that home sweet home. So once we have our nest made, then we're ready to add the floral materials. We're going to add those floral materials in a spiral pattern. I've prepared some flowers here. But you can see that I'm coming from the side to the back there, and just coming, and I'll keep on coming in on a horizontal plane, half turn, and just keep coming around. And we're just adding a variety of brilliant blooms. Some that are grown here at Lembush Roses, like the Alstromeria and these Lisanthus. And look at these stunning gerbs. You can see I'm putting some in a couple at a time. I did prepare the flowers in advance, but you can see how easy and fast that was. Just putting those in groupings and creating that spiral around the nest. Here's our completed alluring nest design. You can see how that area of interest is created with those nests and the couple of eggs just waiting to crack open this spring. The flowers encircle that area of emphasis and really draw attention, and you saw how easily you would really be able to do that placement to get a really impactful design. If you like this design, make sure, give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so that you can hear about any time we upload videos. We have a variety of videos, from business to educational to previews of some of the latest things that have come in, and also more educational videos to create some fabulous florals. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Inspires.